Yeah, it's over. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Sanibonani Dumelang Kumzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the Hitani I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered, back to fix the country right here in Katlehong. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Kumzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas. Tamini, why don't you want Lee to get me a quarter?
So much tired.
Why aren't you saying anything about my waist today? Eh? Why don't you say anything about my waist?
Lisa, even if I say something, I get nothing, so rather let me just...
I've worked so hard.
Hey, it's okay, you work hard for yourself, not for me. I want to get something out of the waist too, so...
Hi guys. Hey, how are you?
Hey.
Hi. I'm Lisa, okay? I'm from a YouTube show called CMTV, right? Okay. I just go around asking couples questions. Would you guys be willing?
Yes.
You would?
Are you willing, right, babe?
Oh, okay.
It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, because she's spoken. Slender Malenda. Come this side. Okay, miss on my left, sir on my right, please. On my right, Scott. Okay, name?
Okay, Palisa.
Palisa.
Palisa
Okay.
Msia, yes.
Okay, and?
Teddy Msibi.
Teddy and Palisa.
Yeah.
Teddy, how long have you been with Palisa?
It's been a while.
It's been a while. Guys, how old are you? Guys look 12. No offense.
Okay.
How old are you? Are you gonna tell me?
First, turning 21.
You're turning 21?
Yes, September 22.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, girl, you look really good. And how old are you?
Can you please guess?
You look 19.
Yo.
Are you 19? How old are you?
25 years.
You!
Getting into 25.
You're lying!
Yeah, I'm telling.
Why do you look so young?
Nginebaby face yabo ngidla kamnandi ama fruity.
Yeah.
Angitshela.
Good for you. 25.
Yeah.
Hey, Islander Malanda.
No, my stemmed his growth. I'm sure maybe he was not sleeping but it's just like, oh, he looks young.
He does.
Yeah. So kuka look here.
Okay.
Why are you here?
I'm here to ask you guys questions. Then in Hamba.
No, okay.
Just give me 5 minutes of your time, please.
All right.
Okay, what is it that you like about your man, Uted?
Like uTeddy humble. Like since I'm Msuthu, like umZulu, and like I'm into unalonto ukuthi bathini uyindoda like amampela. And
oh, nice.
Straightforward, and he's calm because naki papi like yabo papi. So yeah, I'm the talkative one, and he always listened. And but most of all, like like a sense of humor, right?
Oh, nice.
Also a good listener because I'm the talkative one.
Yes, nice. That's nice. It's nice for the girl to be talkative and for the guy to shut up and listen.
Yeah.
Did you hear that, Teddy?
Yeah,
so keep it that way. What is it that you like about her?
Ngakho konke mama bona nje angibhoreki nje manginaye yabo umuntu nama ideas always nje uyangisupporta yabo ngimthandela lokho cause he always there for me uyangithola.
And guys, we're hustling now in our 20s. We need to, so you got the right partner.
Angithola impilo iqale sasemncane izinto ezikanjalo so yena ungitshengisile ukuthi ayena ngawumela ukuthi
to build, ne?
Yeah, to go forward. Yabo izinto ezikanjalo but yena ishimama lami Slender Summer.
Nice. Ungamithi ke wena lento uzithapalisa.
Like mina drive imoto yabo oqala kuzokhona ukuthi ibe no baby on board emuva. Phela umntana mzompusha ngani. But we still gonna financialize ourselves.
Exactly. I like that. Yes. Okay, Palisa, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust him?
Like 10 and 30%. Half. 10 and 30.
10 and 30.
10 and a half. But I trust him way beyond. No doubt 10. Just 10.
Mama nikhuluma ngabo half lana ngiyasizwa.
No, what is 10? No, she says 10 out of 10.
Bese ngakubustela hawu.
No, she wanted to give you 10 and a half.
Okay.
Ngimthemba ngenhliziyo yami yonke.
Phela phela ungifakayo kulezi zinto zabo.
Yeah, okay, no, I hear you. But when I get on a scale of 1 to 10, out of 10, how much do you trust her?
12% mpela.
12.
Yeah.
No, you're not leaving.
Above 10.
No, you're not leaving anything for disappointment.
No, yabona umama nje yena impela hayi. Cha yena ungiphathe kahle kulesikhathi sisijolile mina naye.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let me actually tell you what we do on this show, ne? We basically make couples switch phones, okay?
Okay.
You guys switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApps. Teddy, you look uncomfortable.
Switch phones.
Yes.
Hayi mama uyazi musi lento le ayenziwa leyo.
Why?
Unkosikazi akayithindi nje ifoni yomuntu esilisa.
It's a good thing she's not in Koskazi, she's a girlfriend.
Yeah.
Chinchani.
Awukele mhlawumbe le ring yakhe like
Are you hiding something?
No, there's nothing I'm hiding, but you know that ifoni kunezinto eziningi beside nje umjolo.
kumele ngikhaphe like ngicela switch ama-phone cause like manje sengicala ukuba
Mama.
Exactly.
I'm becoming nervous like we on
Because, what is it?
I mean I have nothing to hide. Ngicela ungiphase ibhegi yami so that I can give you my phone and
So we can start with your phone.
she's like yes please.
Okay.
Maybe like are you not comfortable?
Our phone?
Oh, hayi nazi isikhoma sakho, but mina bengikhapha if
Like
seku right.
babe
Ngathi-
angisho I always lead the way.
Tell us not to check your phone.
Sweetie, hi. Angeke Theli, kwenzakalani? Let me just give you my phone. Yabo ladies first.
Just password mesikadivula.
Like uyayazi password.
Oh.
Oh, baby ngenzeni manje ifoni yakho mina?
Go to her WhatsApp, please.
Yo.
Asseblief toch. Okay, go to the WhatsApp. Okay. Type love you.
Oh, what can I do about it then?
Well, what do you see, Kaloku Skat? I see you there.
Yes, you see me, you see.
Okay,
And your
delete.
mother, okay.
Kaloku, we're looking for any dodgy name, a guy's name. Yebo?
Hey wena man athi ngisheke. Yazi ngiqala ukuyiphatha ke ifoni yakhe.
Really?
Namuhla ngazwa yanomusa kanje.
Like you know, Lisa writes, he's lying.
He's lying.
He's making me nervous. Like
Why are you nervous?
You
Delete.
know why?
This is nothing.
Type miss you.
Akafuni futhi ngaenda
Really?
for this opportunity.
Oh wow, I came at the right time. Shoot.
Okay, ay shathi mikuphela la mama.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Delete that. Type babe.
Eish.
Ngibonani?
Eish ayikuvela mina kuphela la.
Okay, nice. Okay,
Ayi.
delete that.
The most loyal one.
For now.
Yeah.
You're talking about me, nothing to stress about.
We'll see, girl.
Thingise she ini.
Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
Okay.
Sorry, I think we typed that already. I don't know. Okay, nothing dodgy for me.
Ouch.
Okay. Delete.
Next.
Type thank you.
Yes, with the paper I got you.
Let's see who's doing her favors.
Manje vele niyeze efonini yami.
Said you actually.
Yes.
We said it seems to be sweating.
Ngangiright baby away. Mara wethu amafoni vele nawe mara eish. Bungafuni amafoni akho manje angazwa why namuhla uvuma. Noma khona sokudelete. Oh sorry.
See anything dodgy?
Nah, nothing.
Okay, delete that. Stop! You keep doing this, and we keep getting further away from the camera. Stop.
Okay.
Okay, type pregnant.
Eish.
Let's see. In case you never know.
Nothing.
Okay, nice. Delete that.
Eish.
Type ageko. You never know, girl.
Yo.
Apakita sa malago, mamagi.
You think so?
Like,
Okay.
Ay.
That's it.
Yun baby, awuna abangani babafana nje. Yeah.
Type morning after pill. You never know.
yeah. But I'm clean.
It seems so, girl.
Aish.
Nothing. Yo, I can give your woman back her phone.
Like
Congratulations, my darling.
like you were saying, like we never know.
You never know.
It's like the phone now. Like you
Yeah,
can't
the
say,
phone.
let's give me your
That's a
phone.
bliff doch.
Yeah.
Open it. Thank you. Did you open it?
They bamba so. And they like in a password,
Okay.
but he knows mine.
So but you don't know his.
Like I don't even want to.
Okay.
Like, Teddy,
Go to his WhatsApp, ne?
okay, kids, let me focus on you. Like young too silent. Teddy, like okay. Okay, yeah, here.
Type, love you.
You, okay.
Okay.
I love you.
What do you
Okay,
say?
it's me. Noluthando. Noluthando.
Nolthando. Nolthando,
Like
nolthando.
no, like Noluthando. Then mama, okay, mama is a mama.
Okay, go into the chat. But no
Okay,
nolthando.
like ubani Noluthando. Atamela ngoza ngosondela phela.
Awuyamazi mos.
From where?
Ubani?
Ilobe sethungisa kuyibruko mos. The other day.
Wow.
Noluthando.
Go into the conversation.
Yeah, indaba yebruko.
Bathanda umthanda nje kalokhu.
Next, angithi phela ngithanda into ayenzayo.
Like okay, no Noluthando. Like yo, I want my emojis, heart emojis like sangena. Okay.
Sibona izinto apha. Sibona izinto apha. Sibona izinto apha.
Bese ngijwayele phela ngiyam.
Teddy.
Like
Sibona izinto apha.
Izinto.
like
Okay, can I also check there?
Okay, night yes from yesterday.
Okay.
Like thanks for the for the night we spend. Okay. Oh, like okay, kabo setting is ngifike izolo ungilandile ne. Okay, which means Lisa Pega. She had hair the night before. And
No, baby, let's check it out.
You okay? Give me the phone, my skat. Izinto yakho. Explain.
ngosondela la. Teddy atamela la ngiyacela tu.
Baby, isimoya yini lo ibonile. Angitshela kahle kahle.
Do you want to call her?
Open a bra, like please, like I need to
No.
confirm this.
No, why you call her bra? So was she tailoring your pants?
Come down, baby.
Like ngicela
What you
simfonele.
see?
Like hello.
Uboneni?
Ngicela sifonele ne. And then like izongenzela ifavor right actually.
Yeah.
Like he's gonna like
Yabo lento ibonile nje mina ngikhola.
like I send you imali. I'm like ngiyazama ngiyahustlisha, you know that right? Ngicela abantu like I try to and she left le bhale bengicanga ukuthi mama mezala esidudle ngakho kuyabanda.
No.
Just because of it's winter uhambe ungishisa nesidudla. Like you cannot be serious, man.
Hold on, man. Hi, can I please speak to Nolthando?
Manje lo muntu.
Why not?
Noluthando khuluma noPalisa i-big sister kaTeddy yamazi Teddy angisho
Yamazi Teddy.
like ngi-cousin yakhe uTeddy is in serious crisis so like bengifuna ukukhuluma ne-girlfriend yakhe like uyi-girlfriend yakhe uNoluthando right
Elikhumbula le blue.
yeah
Yebo?
girlfriend yakhe uNoluthando right
Yes, girlfriend speaking. Girlfriend yakhe. Wena ungibani uzonibuza ba?
okay ngithena ngiyi-big sister yakhe like how long have you been guys dating
In 1 year, why?
Oh,
Why? Which one unibuza?
like it's okay like uzokufonela back later bye bye
Wow.
Maybe
My skat, calm down.
Baningi abothedi.
Pambene on your fucking phone.
Baby.
uyangijwayela ne
Don't do that.
uyangijwayela
Don't do
yeso
that.
uyangijwayela ne
I
uyangijwayela
understand ukuthi into ehlala
1 year uthunga isipluko for 1 year uthunga isipluko for 1 year for 1 year uthunga isipluko for 1 year
Baby. Oh, send some. Yabona. Just go back, please. Come down, baby. There's no such. Come down. Can you please go with your cameras? You still have to turn, man.
why okay why won't she tell
Angikhithela babe. There's no
because
such.
ngihlala kude
No.
Then
baby.
why?
Lo muntu lona bengiyolungisa ibruko then nayo yabona izinto azenzayo manje. And then
okay like it's not like it's desperate I have no like
Ehlisa umoya. Please.
okay maybe lo usingihlala kude ne okay
What's vibrating?
ngiyakuthanda ne okay
Nami yazi ngithanda kangakanani.
It's okay.
And we've been through a lot. Lento lena baby ngiyacela ukuthi sikhulume endlini, cela sikhulume endlini tu.
but you have to choose between it's me. Like since it's been like 8 months is your or like your winter session, but you should have told me like in front of cameras. You know, I'm an open person, still communicator. It's okay. I understand. More than relationships, they're more important to me. Like I'd rather lose as a boyfriend than as a friend. We understand.
I know.
But next time if you wanna cheat on me, protect yourself and like try someone better and do.
Can you please forgive me?
Disappointing.
There's no such.
Yo, my skirt, do you want to fix it?
There's no such.
Okay, do you want to talk? Do you want to talk
Yes,
about
please,
it?
Please.
I like
please.
so cool speaking, but I love him more than a person. So
No, endlini man.
I'll let this one pass.
Uzolula isandla man. Inkinga
are you
yesandla.
like yimo uthando?
Unesandla. Cela silungise
Ngazi
manje
ngashaya like violent ngamampela.
Bye, girl, you need to stop that.
Like no, like ngidlala amapethiza yabo. But
Please,
like,
please.
Okay, but then you're gonna delete the girl's number. You need to delete and block her.
Even now.
Okay, we're waiting, okay?
Yeah.
Go stand there, my skirt, to see if he really does it.
Now come, Pepsi.
Okay, actually send her a voice note and tell her it's over.
Voice note.
yeah,
Yo, okay.
Okay, speak.
because it's like him no muthando.
My skirt, wait. Speak.
Yeah, it's over, Papa. Yeah.
No, that's not a breakup. I'm gonna delete this one. Tell her, Bana.
Baby cake.
Already ulahla ibhlungu nomlahlekelwa yimi.
Okay, Nothando. Yabo lento yethu ngiyacela nje ukuthi siqede namhlanje because vele bengekho mina ngithandela uPalisa and you know that.
Wesiphatha uthando ngiyamazi. Hey mom is a tailor like yabanda ufuna isiduli seduzana. It's okay ngizokuthengela i-electric
Delete.
blanket.
Baby,
Ne?
please.
Delete and block, Galo.
Sorry.
Okay. All these they use like utilisa less by the same
Ne?
cast like put one night stand no my two stand.
Baby, I won't happen.
Like,
Ngiyakthembisa.
in my conversation about WhatsApp, you wouldn't listen.
Yeah, yeah.
You could have seen her, like,
Was it big?
Even
like it's cross my heart kind of thing. Like,
Wow.
calm down, baby.
I cannot imagine you painting
Let's go.
upon.
Tell
Like,
us something, baby.
Yeah.
no,
Tell us
I'm
something.
not
baby.
type, which is I'm not type when.
like it
Because you're telling Islander and then you're going big. What's your type? Like,
before
Baby,
you
can
call
you-
her, like,
can you-
please
can you
tell me
please go
why
on?
is the reason like ukuthi ulande isidudu lesingaka ufuna ukuthungisa ibhluko mahala like ezinye izinto le shocking. What is the reason, babe? Like ngicela ngitshele.
Tell us something, baby. So khuluma endlini kahle.
okay, let's talk about it off camera.
Like no. Just when I finish this and go home. But since umlahlile, are you willing to try again?
No, baby. Can we talk about our thing now?
Like but uhlala ukuthi like trust method
Ungangithemba, baby. Uyazi we've been through a lot
from
mina
10 to
now.
80. Mara kumele uprioritize ne. Cause just imagine if you have to find out like but at least manje ngiyazi where I stand like
No, umi, baby.
okay angibona. Okay,
Slender
understand.
Maland.
Amaratali.
You can even see my waist like I can get someone better. But like it's you engimthandayo.
But
So you guys are sorting it out at least.
I'm sorry.
You don't. You guys. You my skirt. You hurt, ne? So you can't fix everything on camera. You need time.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You need a few hours to just wusa and zen, and then come back and talk about it again.
I'm sorry,
So
baby.
I am.
Yeah.
Sorry, baby.
Labil. Bye.
I'm
sorry.
Angeke sifune zingane. Angeke.
Labil, leave me alone.
Ngisho ukuthi ngifune zingane.
Ah,
Awubona zenzani?
Labil, get away. Get away from me.
Ingane ngezihluli.
Ke ngokusilando.
Bafuna ukubona ukuthi ngempela ngeke yini. Angeke.
Shut up, Lamini. Shut.
Nesandla ngathi umlomo.
You're so stupid. I can't do you. So you're satisfied.
I'm not.
It doesn't matter. You'll get to kiss Kim Kardashian one day. Specifically her. You'll be blessed.
Anginandaba no Kim Kardashian. Anginandaba naye. Yabona loyo. I don't even think about it. Aloyo.
Wow.
Funa lo seduzo wami ngimbonayo.
Wow. Lamini, shall we close?
Athi ngiyazimajina ngilapha.
Wait.
Sisi exchange salava mina.
Are you done?
Okay, ngicedile asambe. Yabona manje okay, fine.
Did anyone tell you to not put acha in my kota?
Usebuyile, I don't know.
Oh my God, yes sis.
Ngibona imoto ithi.
Guys, the rumors are true. Because people hate acha.
Why do you guys
We hate acha. Say I hate acha ngenhliziyo yami yonke. I hope there's no acha in my. But yeah, ngeni must acha kukota.
Ngena. Baqala ngayo.
No, but Lynn is gonna have to buy another one.
Baqala ngayo acha futhi nje la elokhu.
And you're nyanya acha.
Acha.
I don't know why we hate. I think it's because we didn't grow up eating acha. We grew up eating ibisto. You know, so acha is so foreign to us. Ndayicapukela. Yo ndayicapukela.
No ke niyafana.
I strongly dislike acha. I wanna just host an event where I bond with my closer people over our hate for acha. Yeah.
You need that.
Yes, slums.
Because I have two abahlobo bam endizwana na vele nje acha vele.
They closer. Of course.
Bokhuluma nje I'm not sure ngiyazi ukuthi vele acha.
Nyanya. If you want to ruin my day, get me acha. Uyazibaga you've ruined my day.
If they want to make your day,
possibly dry red wine or champagne.
I was asking for myself. Thank you.
Ungathengi sparkling wine, uthenge champagne.
Champagne.
Ungaloku uthengela sparkling wine se 250, thenge champagne.
Imali nanti champagne.
Around 700 or 800 when you get it from Checkers Liquor. From the restaurant, it's 1,800.
Okay, I see valid topic. Right.
Okay, you can get me wine, Clams. It's fine. You can get me wine. Yeah.
Okay.
Dry red.
Dry red.
Yes.
Okay, at least.
Uzongithenga?
Yabo uyakhuluma.
If at least one.
No, I can only buy it if ngizoyithenga bese ngiyayiletha.
Wala uzofuna ugoduka wena when you come to my house.
If inakhuzani bathi yini FIFA World Cup, so why kuzomela ngihambe ngoba World Cup it's on, so yeah.
Shall we close? Can we close?
Eh? No, uyayivuma lento engishoyo.
No.
So iwine awufuni.
And say phone.
Alright. So uma ngibona ngithi qhe emnyango wakho ngiliphethe, ngiphethe nje 6 pack ewine. Uzongijikiza?
I mean,
thank you.
all right, CMTV viewers, this is Absolute Rap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me. Guys, I'm back on Instagram. Follow me. And Niboni. I don't see you guys following me. And we're going to have a big problem. And when I leave CMTV, I don't need people crying for me and DMing me. Because that's what happened the 2 years I was not here. In Indiharasa in my DMs. So I'm not going to be here.
Follow her.
And you guys are not supporting the things that we do.
Her.
Thank you very much.
Follow her and support her. She's a dlala ngeplate uLisa kadlala kanjalo. Instagram it's welcome_Dlamini88. Facebook welcome Dlamini. TikTok it's welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabonga.
Thank you guys.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name of course is Lisa Serame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process of course I make sure Ziyampur ma best believe if you are Yuruza I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.